Anti-apartheid policy. Apartheid is an attempt by a race or people of particular skin color to gain control on another race of people of different skin color in the name of supremacy. Apartheid is an affront to human rights and world peace. Affront means insult. The foreign policy of India declared that no country of the world shall practice this. Till recently, the minority white people were ruling the majority black people in South Africa. India had declared its support to Nelson Mandela and his party, African National Congress, who were opposing apartheid in their country. Anti imperialism. The foreign policy of India opposes imperialism. Imperialism is an attempt by a sovereign country to take over other sovereign country with the intention of ruling it for its personal gains. It is nothing but having control on weak countries by powerful countries. It was natural for India, which gained its independence from an imperial country, to oppose such moves of other countries. No corner of the world shall have imperialism, declared India in the Conference of Asian Countries in 1949 and 1955, held in New Delhi and Bandung. Disarmament. The process of eliminating of specific arms means weapons, step by step is called disarmament. There is an increased competition for the production, sale and collection of arms in the world. Many of the countries are worried that this massive scale of arms could lead to the Third World War. Countries with massive arms may attack another country intentionally or by mistake or by accident, which causes massive devastation. The presence of nuclear arms makes the issue more complicated. India, being peace-loving country, advocated for the reduction of arms qualitatively as well as quantitatively. Since the time of Nehru, India has supported disarmament process, though it is impossible and impractical to attain total disarmament as every country needs arms for its protection. Reduce the number of arms. The Constitution of India's Article 51 advocates for a foreign policy that aims at establishing international peace and cooperation. The Department of External Affairs of central government plays a decisive role in formulating our foreign policy. It always considered our national interest and public opinion. Indian foreign policy aims at strengthening UNO. India strives to have strong foreign relationship with the countries of the world through SAARC and Commonwealth of Nations as well. Moreover, India has been one of the major members of UNO. Non-aligned movement. The world was divided into power blocks after the end of Second World War. The democratic countries were under the control of USA and the communist countries were under the control of USSR. In those days, India followed the policy of being non-aligned to either of these blocs. It was successful in commanding the faith from both the blocs. It secured financial assistance from USA and secured military aid from USSR. It also dealt every international event independently and welcomed or criticized any issue independently. The credit of creating an independent policy of being non-aligned and making it part of the foreign policy goes to India. After Nehru, the prime ministers like Lal Bahadur Shastri and Indira Gandhi followed the principle of eye for an eye in foreign policy. The wars held in 1965 and 1971 with Pakistan were guided by this policy. Later, the Prime Minister Atal Bihari Vajpayee tried to reform our foreign policy and tried hard to have better relationship with Pakistan.